This is applying glaze to some air dry clay that I've cast from the IOD molds. I've already clear coated these just so they don't soak up too much of the glaze. Take a small brush, dip it in my glaze. I'm using Slate by Country Chic Paint. And just start working it into the crevices of the design. Always use a clear coat before using a glaze on surfaces that are going to be really porous, like a chalk style paint or this air dry clay, so it doesn't soak up too much of it and I'm not able to work with it the way I want to work with it. Glaze has a longer dry time, so it allows you, and it's more translucent, allows you to have some workability with it. Then I take a damp paper towel or soft cloth and wipe back the excess off of the high areas, leaving me the glaze down in the crevices and it's showing off the details really well. And Country Chic has several colors of glaze, as well as they have a clear glaze, which is really the best bang for your buck if you're not intimidated with mixing, because you can pour a little bit of that clear glaze up in a small little cup or bowl, add some drops of your paint color, whatever color you're going for, stir it, and you've made your own custom color glaze. And then you just let this dry. You can seal it with if it needs to be sealed. It doesn't have to be like on this kind of decor item that's not going to be getting hand traffic, but you could seal it with a clear coat, a clear spray. You can apply the wax over the glaze. You just cannot apply glaze over wax. It won't adhere. Once you've waxed a surface, that's your final top coat, because paint and glazes are not going to adhere to a waxy surface. You can also take just a clean damp brush and smooth some of this into the areas around it to give it some aged effect. And if you don't like it, you want more, you can go back and apply even more. Here's the one that I've already completed. Excuse the mess, I have multiple projects going on, but I finished this off with some pearl wax, and I don't know if you're going to be able to see it on here, but it just gives it a little bit of a sheen. This one doesn't have the wax, so let's see if I can do a side by side. Maybe you can see just a tiny bit of pearlescence on there. Just brings out the highlights a little bit better. So I'm going to apply it to this one. I like to use old socks to apply wax on small areas. I just dip my finger in the wax and rub it over the high places, the high areas of the design.